know that song, what I'm singing? I'm not singing, I sing, I play. I mean, if you hear me call, play, sing, it means to say, John, that grew up on my mentality.
Welcome to Jamaica Worldwide. And today, we are looking at 10 powerful moments that shaped Jamaican culture. From hurricanes to heroes, from reggae to revolution. Proves why Jamaica is one of the most influential countries in the world.
But he's going to win it by 2 meters, 9.58!
Before we dive in, please remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss videos when they are posted. Let's get into it. Here are the 10 biggest moments that shaped Jamaican culture. Number 10. Hurricane Gilbert, 1988.
By the time the hurricane was in full force, most people were sitting out the storm inside, but some had other things on their minds as they ran in the rain.
On September 12, 1988, Jamaica was hit by one of the strongest storms in its history.
Thousands were without homes, the lucky ones staying with friends or relatives, and others in the hundreds of shelters around the country.
Houses were blown away, power lines collapsed, and the island went dark. Yet, through all the destruction, the resilience of Jamaicans would shine bright. Since Jamaica is in a hurricane-prone area, memories of Gilbert always forms the basis of awareness for hurricane preparation. The subject of hurricanes always revives conversations about Gilbert and the damage it caused. Jamaica eventually recovered, and in true Jamaican fashion, was able to turn it into a source of entertainment. The events were immortalized with Lovindeer's song Wild Gilbert, which exemplifies how Jamaicans can turn tragedy into humor. Gilbert proved that no matter how bad things may get, you can't break the Jamaican spirit. Number 9. Portia Simpson Miller becomes Jamaica's first female prime minister, 2006. Portia made history, breaking political barriers and inspiring women across the Caribbean. Known as Sista P, she brought warmth, determination, and authenticity to leadership, connecting deeply with everyday Jamaicans. Her journey reminded the nation that true strength knows no gender, and that no matter where you are from, anything is possible. This was also a strong message for Jamaica's progressive nature and the standard of equal opportunity for women in the country. Number 8. The Jamaican Bobsled Team, 1988.
In the evenings, we would push this makeshift sled up and down this concrete strip.
Right here.
Right here. This is where Jamaica bobsled started.
When Jamaica entered the Winter Olympics, the world laughed, until they saw the determination behind the sled. Devin Harris, Dudley Stokes, Michael White, Freddie Powell, and Chris Stokes defied every expectation, proving that passion and courage knows no climate. Their story became the legendary film Cool Runnings, which even further magnified their story of resilience and Jamaicans' wide-ranging talents. That moment showed the world what it means to be Jamaican, fearless, hilarious, and full of heart. Number 7. The explosion of dancehall.
Taking a ride, a ride.
By the late 1980s, the Jamaican sound system scene had transformed into something massive. Dancehall became the heartbeat of the streets, raw, rebellious, and unapologetically Jamaican. Artists like Shabba Ranks, Beanie Man, Lady Saw, Bounty Killer, and later Vybz Kartel carried the movement forward, bringing fire and flair to every rhythm. Dancehall shaped global music, inspiring hip-hop, Afrobeats, reggaeton, and pop. It influenced fashion, slang, and style. From Kingston to Tokyo. Whether celebrated or criticized, dancehall has shown that Jamaica doesn't follow trends. It creates trends. Share your favorite dancehall artists and stories in the comments. Number 6. Louise Bennett and the Rise of Jamaican Patois.
You can hear me? You can hear me? Oh, the child.
Our beloved Miss Lou changed the way Jamaicans saw themselves. In a time when people were ashamed of speaking patois, she flipped the script. Through poetry, storytelling, and laughter, she made the Jamaican language a badge of pride. Because of Miss Lou, Jamaican patois now echoes proudly across classrooms, music, and even movies worldwide. Number 5. Haile Selassie's visit to Jamaica, 1966.
That anxious, expectant faces searched the skies for the first glimpse of the great silver bird that would bring their hero to Jamaican soil for the first time.
On April 21st, 1966, Emperor Haile Selassie, the first of Ethiopia, landed in Kingston to a sight no one had ever seen before. Over 100,000 Rastafarians filled the airport, singing, beating drums, and crying tears of joy. To them, this was the fulfillment of prophecy. The emperor's visit gave spiritual legitimacy to the Rastafarian religion, connected Jamaica to Africa, and inspired generations of reggae artists to sing of unity, freedom, and divine purpose. The Rastafarian religion has been a significant subculture of Jamaican existence for a long time, and is an important part of the country's popular reggae music.
It was the year 1966, and Selassie I made a visit. Mr. Rasta make the Babylon, them look like rubbish, Lord. Thousands of people that I know the crowd did.
Number 4. The Reggae Boys' '98 World Cup qualification. In 1997, Jamaica became the first English-speaking Caribbean nation to qualify for the FIFA World Cup in France. Led by coach René Simoes and powered by players like Theodore Tappa Whitmore and Ricardo Bibi Gardner, the Reggae Boys united the island like never before. Even though they lost 2 matches, that final 2-1 victory over Japan gave them some level of legitimacy, and, in itself, felt like winning the World Cup. For weeks, there was celebration across the island, and Jamaica has since established itself as a sporting contender in
Whitmore again. He's already scored 1. Oh, he's in his second! That's an even better goal!
If you were around for that Reggae Boys qualification, smash that like button. Number 3. Usain Bolt breaks the world record. In 2008 and 2009, Usain Bolt would redefine greatness. With his record-breaking runs at the Beijing Olympics and the Berlin World Championships, he became a symbol of Jamaican excellence. His confidence, humor, and swagger captured hearts worldwide. Bolt didn't just win gold, he dominated and carried Jamaican pride with every stride. If you're proud of the fastest to ever do it, type Bolt in the comments to show your support. Number 2. Bob Marley takes reggae to the world. Bob Marley wasn't just a singer, he was a messenger of peace, love, and revolution. From Trenchtown to stadiums around the globe, his voice became the heartbeat of the oppressed. Songs like One Love, Get Up, Stand Up, and Redemption Song turned Jamaican stories into global anthems. He united people across races, religions, and borders, and made Rasta, reggae, and Jamaica become household names. Even today, decades later, his message still rings loud. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. Before we get to number 1, we want to make mention of some other events. The rise of Marcus Garvey and the Pan-Africanism movement. Marcus Garvey spread the message of Pan-Africanism, motivating people of African descent worldwide, and also established his Black Star Line, which was a beacon of black excellence at the time. He also established the Universal Negro Improvement Association, with the purpose of further motivating and uplifting the black race. Lisa Hanna wins Miss World. Lisa Hanna captivated the world when she was crowned Miss World on November 27, 1993 in South Africa. Miss Hanna's victory made her the 3rd Jamaican to gain the crown, but the first of dark complexion. Number 1. Independence, 1962. On August 6, 1962, the Union Jack came down and the black, green, and gold flag rose high for the first time. It was more than freedom. It was the birth of a new identity. Independence gave Jamaica its voice, its pride, and the freedom to create its own rhythm, from ska and reggae to sports and style. It marked the beginning of a people standing tall on the world stage, confident, creative, and unstoppable. From struggle to strength, from rhythm to resilience. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the love. Thanks for watching Jamaica Worldwide. Until next time, walk good.